Hey guys! So we had a company reach out to us called Sakerplus, Saker plus.com, and they asked if we were interested in some solar lighting. So as you know, I am on a quest to be off grid this year, and currently this is the light they sent me. This actually sent two of them. This is the light. It's a solar street light. There's the solar panel. So I know nothing about this company right now, but check this out. This is what I'm going to replace. Let me put this here. I don't want to drop it. So hold on. Right there. So that is, oh, it's been up there for a long time. I can tell you that. Probably 10 years. I don't know. At least 10 years. I put that up right after my dad died because my mom was afraid of the dark up here. So it is powered. I have no idea how much it costs to run. It is like LED, but it's probably 15 years old. So that's coming down. And this is going up. Now, my only question is, I don't know if it's going to get enough sun underneath the eave. If it doesn't, I'm just going to move it up to my transmitter that transmits our internet down to the Airbnb. So, yeah. But we're going to put it there for now. So I got to get up there, take that down. And we're going to put this guy up. And then the other one is going to go up there at the goats. Now, what's very cool about them is they are dusk to dawn, but they do have a remote. So that's cool. So the only thing I don't like is this is the directions. All right. And here's your mount. The mount, you just take this off. But so this arm is adjustable. And I was afraid, I was prying on it. I actually took those screws loose, and that helped it adjust. So then you can see there's the eye. Can you hear that thunder? Thunder, lightning. I just had a little bit of hail hitting me. So, yeah. But that's what I'm going to put up. Tell me I have to put this. It only goes one way. There it goes. Is that it? There it goes. All right, well, I think I'm going to leave it like that. I don't know. We get a lot of wind. Like that is... I don't think that'll last in the wind here. Alright guys, the lights are charged now. So it has 3 different modes. It has a motion where it knows human heat from an animal, and it comes on, I believe it has it comes on high and then shuts off, comes on low and shuts off, then it has a dusk to dawn feature. And we have noisy, you can't see them, but we have noisy goats. Alright, so it just, mode 1, which we have it on now, is what?
The light stays off until motion is detected. Then 30 seconds on at full brightness for 30 seconds before shutting off.
Alright, so I'm going to walk out and see if it comes on. Bam! So now it's at full bright. Alright, so we have it on mode 1 right now. And mode 2 is on dim. And then when it detects motion, it goes to bright. And then mode 3 is... So there it is. Oop. Yeah.
And is dusk and dawn setting.
Oh, there it is. So it's pretty bright out here, but yeah. So they work. I have no idea how long they'll hold up in the wind or anything like that, but we shall see. There'll be a link in the description. Thanks, Sakerplus. Hi, Kiva. What's up, Kiva? You don't need to be breathing heavy on me and slobbering up my arm. No. Kiva, you know you're not supposed to be up here. She has a GPS collar on. That's an upcoming video. Kind of a bummer. Doesn't work around here. No cell service, so 98% of its features doesn't work. Oh, so it kills the battery because it's always searching for cell service. So, yeah, of course, I see it. It's that red thing around her neck. Has lots of cool features, but they don't work if you don't have cell service. So, it's an absolutely gorgeous day here on the farm, and to be honest with you, I got chores done. Harvested some grass for the goats, and I've been in one of those moods where I just didn't want to do anything, so kind of smelling the roses today. Well, I hope you like that light I put up. So far, I've had it up there for a couple days, and it seems to work. I mean, I took a little video last night. This camera sucks in the dark, I can tell you that. Supposed to have night vision, but whatever. Yeah. So I think today is a smelling the roses day. Trying to recharge my batteries a little bit. And yeah, so that's where I'm at today. Oh. Dogs are up here with me. Flies are out because it's like 86 degrees, so that's why I'm sitting up here in the trees in the sun and the shade. There's a nice breeze blowing. So I guess what I'm telling you is take time to smell the roses. You don't have to go 98, 99, 100% of the time. Slow down and breathe, people. Slow down and breathe. That's really important in this day and time. So I got the dogs running around up here, probably getting covered in ticks. Have you seen those videos of these boxes of ticks being dropped on people's properties? What the hell? Seriously, if that's true, I'd probably be in jail because, well, let me just say, there'd be some ventilation going on there. But probably shouldn't say that, right? Yeah, it's a good day to just take a breather. How's that go? Namaste. Or something like that. Yeah. All right. I guess we'll catch you on Wednesday.